Peace everybody, this is Sound Mystic, aka Infinite Music. In this video we're going to be making a beat on the MPC-1. I'm going to walk you through the process of laying down each track. So to help move things along, I have a couple of sounds already preloaded. I make a lot of my beats with the intention of having an artist work on top of it. So I try to keep them nice and simple, so that they can add their lyrics, melody, rapping, singing, whatever it might be. Although in this case, just to make a sort of more complete sound, I might add a little top line at the end, just a little freestyle. Let's go. On the first track, we are using the built-in electric plugin that's included with the MPC series and the MPC software on the desktop. Super nice, clean interface. Works really nicely with the cue links here. You can scroll through your different parameters, and as most or all of the MPC plugins, they're laid out in this vertical fashion. So just by looking at it, you can pretty much tell which cue link is going to affect what. And these are nice touch-sensitive cue links, so you can also preview here what parameter that's going to be linked to. Another way to edit some of the parameters is by touching there. You see it's highlighted in red. That's going to be mapped to the first cue link in this case, but also whatever's highlighted is also going to be mapped to your main dial here. Plus and minus also works on a lot of these parameters. So if you need to do like a fine tune, you can see that's going just by one increment. So nice different ways to approach the same thing on the GUI. And of course you can always use your finger here and edit that. Very nice. So on our first track, we're going to lay down the harmony in the form of an ARP. So it's sort of harmony and a little bit of melody at the same time. That's going to be the main foundation of this track. Let's go back to our main, and to get to the arpeggiation, I'm going to show you how to do that real quick. Right now we have the electric plugin on track 1, which is a really nice electric piano emulation. It's playing chords, but actually, you know, you could play simple piano notes, chords, whatever. But in order to get the arpeggiation that we want, we're going to have it set to one of these presets here. In this case, the progression. You can have chords, preset chords, or chromatic chords, but we're going to go ahead and use the progressions. Have it set to F sharp major scale, and for the chord layout, I'm going with the guitar pop 2. There are many to choose from here. Guitar, hip hop, house. I mean, there's a ton in here. Again, we're going to go with guitar pop 2, and everything is ready to go. So you have your chords. Now to get the arpeggiation going, you're going to hit shift, note, repeat to latch that. And now you're in arpeggiation mode. Super nice, powerful way to get melodies going on your track. So I'm going to go, in this case, with the F sharp major 7 and the D sharp minor. Alright, so let's go ahead and lay this out. We're going to hit record, play start, and rock with it. Okay, that sounds nice. Let's go back to our main screen, and we're going to go ahead and load our second track and add some percussion elements, starting with our hi-hat. Again, I have a preloaded kit. All the sounds on this beat for this video, I'm going to be using the built-in sounds, so anybody can load these up and make their own beat. If you want to try to recreate this, that's cool. This is acoustic kit. Alright, simple. And from this kit, I'm actually going to be using the hi-hat. I'm gonna make sure I have full level off so that I get the velocity sensitivity. Get a little bit of variation on this hi-hat. Alright, so let's go ahead and record that on track 2. We're gonna hit record, play start, so we get started on the 1 with a count in as well. Alright, dope. So we got that going on. I wasn't really feeling the kick and snare from this particular kit, so I found this other one. We're going to load up on track 3. It's actually already loaded just for simplicity's sake. This is the Masada Cycle Kit. Again, this is included with the MPC. So when you buy your MPC, you just go to the AKAI website, you can download and plug it right in. Alright, so the next element I want to add to this beat is an open hi-hat, just to add to the fundamental hi-hat groove. Just add a little variation as well. And I like this hat right here. So we're gonna go ahead and add that in now. Track 3, I'm gonna hit record, play, start. Alright, super simple. Nice. So there is a kick and snare combo from this same kit that I like. We're gonna find that. So it's these two right here. And we're just gonna go ahead and record nice little boom bap. Let's do it. Oh, make sure you hit overdub because we're on the same track 3 so that you don't go and erase your open hi-hat. Overdub, play start, count in. Perfect. Alright, so now we have basic groove, basic harmony, arpeggiation going on. What I want to do is add a little bit of percussion, sort of sprinkles in there. Let's go ahead and find some nice sounds to do that with. So let's see what we have. Alright, these tambourines are nice. Let's go ahead and add that for flavor. Remember, overdub, play start. Alright, so we have basic groove laid out. At this time, you can't really have a good foundation without your lower frequencies, so let's go ahead and add a little bass line. And on track number 4, we have a bass loaded up. This is with the built-in monophonic bass plugin. Super simple, straightforward, can't go wrong with that. Make sure we have the right octave. Nice. Let's do that one more time. a pretty solid little bass line. We'll go ahead and rock with that. So as promised, we're going to go ahead and add a little top line melody. And let's see. We're going to use the Hype plugin. This is a really dope plugin they've added as of the 2.10 update. It's new to the MPC 1, the Live, and the X. This originally came out on the AKAI Force. Nice to have it integrated here now. Alright y'all, there you have it. Simple little 3-track beat. You got your arpeggiated harmonic element. Nice little boom bap type groove, bass line. And as promised, I'm going to write out with a little freestyle melody. I hope you enjoyed that. Until the next one, Sound Mystic, Infinite Music. Let's go. Peace, y'all. Till the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Sound Mystic. Let's go.